has been building up throughout the evening, and the conditions are worse, and we even witnessed a weather phenomenon.
What time is it, senor?
Pain in the butt.
It's a pain in the butt.
Yes.
Quarter to 11.
It's 10:47 and we're still here.
We're not getting the luggage yet.
And the flight still cancelled, connecting flight. Probably sleeping on the floor here
Hopefully
tonight.
not. Hey guys, so it's currently 4:20. The plane landed at like probably I want to say around like 10, but you know, I ended up finding somewhere where we can stay. We're just kind of here holding out, but the lobby that we can stay in, we can't really sleep there. So the guy has this routine of waking us up, which is very polite, but we're up to that. So we are finally in our room. This is because our flight was cancelled due to inclement weather, aka enough snow. This is Boogie. She's exhausted.
I've not slept for 24 hours.
Stop going. You sleep about 2 hours.
No, I didn't sleep. I was watching you sleep the whole time.
Yeah. Is over this bedroom sleep? Crazy. Look at that, that's just so much water. It's moving. So by the way guys, this was not planned at all. We got stuck in Toronto because of the blizzard. Reached out to some family and they were like, hey, well, you have time, you have the day, let's carry it down to Niagara Falls. So hidden blessings, good problem this year. Good problem. So apparently we're not supposed to fly that drone. And
We just saw
the sign that said so.
drone flying.
Like just. So we'll just land that quick and fast, get that out of the way with. I was not trying to break no laws, just to be clear. Male audience. It's informed that there are two main falls. One over here to the right, that's the one on the Canada side, and apparently this is the one that the guy went over the barrel over the falls with. I'm not sure if you guys seen this rainbow. So Dad was just explaining to me, this is coming from Lake Erie. That's Lake Erie over there, and what is happening is it's draining down, there's a change in topography or height of land, and it leads down
Going to Ontario.
and the river follows and goes down to Lake Ontario, which is what you'd have seen in the previous shots that we were driving past. How's that video?
Oh, really?
It's snow!